Snow. Where's the snow, boys?
Go.
Alex, where's the snow? Is that the snow? What day is it? January?
No,
February 4th. Sorry.
No, 5th.
February 4th.
That's the 4th?
Yeah, it's the 4th. Hi, Mason. Hi, Alex. Hi, Trevor. Trevor. Where are you?
Trevor, where's the snow?
Trevor, where's the snow?
No.
Snow. Trevor, where's the snow? Hey, don't do that. I'm just trying to video you.
No.
Yeah, where's your sandbox? Where's the sandbox?
Papa.
Full of sandbox, yeah. Full of snow. Is it full of snow, Trevor? Where's your swing set? Is it full of snow? What about the slide? The slide has snow on it. Hold on.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready to go eat breakfast?
No.
No? You want to watch the snow?
No.
No. Okay. Tell the camera bye-bye. Tell the camera bye-bye.
Okay, let's get down.